Alright, so number 1, part I, says list 3 equivalent fractions to 1/3. Well, all we have to do here is multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So for example, by 2, and that would give us 2/6. And we can also multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/3 by 3, which would give us 3/9. Okay, or we can just take this last number, 3/9, and multiply that by 10/10 to get 30/90. And those are 3 examples. Of course, there's many more, so it's important to know that answers may vary with this question. Okay, so part 2. It says, use the diagram below to show why 1/4 equals 2/8. You are allowed to draw or write on the diagram or draw another circle if you prefer. So what suffices here is, as we did in class, you can just split this up like this, and then simply just shade in 1/4 of the whole picture, which is the same as 2 out of the 8 little pieces that are now there. And that's all that was required based upon what we did in class. For the next part, part 3, it says the student tries to show why 1/4 equals 2/8 with the following work. 1/4 equals 1/4 times 2, and that equals 2/8. Now part A says, clearly circle the mistake the student made. Well, the mistake was right here, and part B says, use the identity property of multiplication to show what the student should have done instead in the space below. Okay, so using the identity property of multiplication. Okay, so what the student should have done was realize that 1/4 is really just equal to 1/4 multiplied by 1, right? That's, if you can't multiply by anything else for it to become 1/4, okay, so we multiply by 1 to get using the identity property of multiplication. So that keeps it the same, which is 1/4. Now, the number 1 can be rewritten as 2/2, okay, because 2/2 makes 1 whole, and by doing this step, that allows us to multiply the numerator and denominator to get 2/8, and that's all we have to do there.